Yo, I'm here live with this fucking unicorn of a vehicle. If you are a Honda lover, you will never see this shit ever again in your life. These things, we were thinking about bringing it to Barrett Jackson, but we figured let you guys get a shot at it quick. You know, it's an LX, it's not no EX bullshit. We got power steering, power windows, power door locks, 2 horn buttons, not 1, but 2. Power mirrors, fucking AC. She's a 5-speed. Nobody likes an automatic.
Barn find.
Dude, it's a fucking barn find. Never see this shit again. $8,000, it could be yours. It's a single cam, man. A lot of people don't know, but these things rip. Any words of advice for the people, prospective buyers?
It's worth the money.
Dude, that's what I'm saying, yeah. Remember these cell phone antennas from like the year this car was made? Whoever bought this thing new was balling. What up, dude?
Yeah, you know.
What are we doing?
Big black Chevy stuff. Big
Yeah?
black Chevy boat stuff.
I'm trying. Me and Dan just fucking stripped these manifolds off. They weigh like 20 pounds a piece. Jam the water pump out. Can't see shit because it's dark, but we're gonna try to dump this thing into the boat. But what? So we got the trailer backed up. About to pull this bitch with the engine hoist. Dan Young's prepped the surface by sweeping, because you know these motherfuckers get caught on zip ties.
Best sleeping job ever.
Dude, here she comes. Yeah, it's 1,000 pounds. So, you know, we're only lifting like 780 on a Chinese hoist.
This thing's been through a lot.
We should be fine. Yeah, it's got cool drawings on it and shit. Stickers. These stickers, just like on cars, they don't add horsepower though. They add lifting capacity. Send it. What?
We definitely need to unstrap it first.
No, I was gonna lift the whole trailer. Fuck. Oh yeah.
Keep swooping it. What? Yeah, if you keep swooping.
Words of encouragement.
Oh yeah, straighten her out now. Oh yeah, all day. Oh, that's great. Look at this guy.
Professional trailer backer. So this is where the motor's gonna live. Motor plate in the front, bell housing in the back. This is the jet drive. It's a Berkeley C pump. And Dan is holding the adapter. That goes on the end of the crankshaft where the flywheel is and adapts it to this tiny drive shaft. Right there. Interior's kind of fucked up. I gotta put some seats in it. But got the steering wheel and the gas pedal.
Sick gauges.
There's one sick gauge.
Ghost package.
Attack. Fucking.
Let's go to the ghost package.
You don't need gauges. All you need to do is listen for rev limiter. Berkeley Jensen fucking C pump.
Is this where the dollar bills go into?
That's yeah. That's where the money goes in. It's got 2 aluminum gas tanks. They're teed together.
Doesn't really smell like that in there.
It probably smells good. It's fine. We're about to clean the threads on these bolts because they're rusty as fuck. Because the dude let them fucking sit outside for all winter.
What an asshole. What was that?
I dropped the bolt and went in the grinder.
I thought you got your fingers. Look at this guy.
I thought I was gonna shoot out again.
Real slick.
That one's good.
That's why you wear your safety glasses.
That's why you shouldn't do drugs.
Ooh, dude. That's like a lot.
That's a lot of water. So this isn't good. Last I checked, you don't want that coming out of your exhaust.
You didn't even have the,
It's still gonna run.
You might want to take the spark plugs out, right?
I mean, was it gonna hydrolock at fucking hand turning speed? I think it'll be alright.
That's a lot of water coming out of that, man.
It's supposed to, dude. It's for a boat.
Oh, Jesus. I guess technically you still have compression, though. I mean,
Yeah, it's
the
spinning.
water sat in there, then came out.
It's spinning, so that's a good thing. What's up, dude?
You got motor problems, homie. Just
All
in general.
day, every day.
Just in general, motor problems.
Tell you one thing I don't have, women problems.
Oh, snap.
Wisdom.
That redneck Joe with him.
There you go. It's a hammer and a drill.
I think I had to leave that on there.
We do, but it should come off. There it is.
When'd you pick the motor up?
Like a week ago. It's been sitting on my trailer in the back of the Neon.
In the rain.
Straight waterlogged.
Yeah.
I had a tarp on it.
That did a lot of good, huh?
That's some old water, probably.
So,
You guys have fun, huh?
Hmm. You going night-night?
I'm going night-night.
Peace
you
out.
want to go drinking?
No, I'm going night-night.
Nah, you want to go drinking, dude, right after this? We'll be done in 20 minutes. We'll have it in the boat. You want to go boating? You know, fun. You don't miss me, buddy?
Oh, we just got an ass shot.
You're always going to get an ass shot. My back is 3/4 ass. So we got the adapter put on. It just goes in the flex plate bolts to the crankshaft. I don't know what the fuck it is. I got my torque wrench set to 125 foot-pounds per manufacturer specs. And we're going to torque them. One. I can't make the noise loud enough. I torqued the RFT really fucking tight, man. That and some Loctite, just fucking send it, man. As long as you didn't snap it, it's fucking straight, dude. Yeah. Get you some of that. Next, we're gonna be dropping this fucking pig in there. Let's rip. Oh, look at you clean up. So we got the front motor plate bolted to the motor.
Kind of.
With, yeah, 2 ghetto bolts, but whatever. And now it's party time. Time to send it. We are this close.
Definitely sketchy.
Super duper sketchy. Fuck this shit.
It's close.
The awesomeness right there.
That looks so sick.
I know you can't see it good, but that shit looks sick as fuck.
Sing.
Tell him what's wrong, Dan.
Shit don't fit. Oil pan clearance.
The, damn, I need the flashlight. Basically, the oil pan is too big. It's probably out of a truck, and I probably need one out of a car. I got it sitting on a rat strap right now, but it won't go down far enough to bolt in the bell housing bolts. So, I gotta pull it out again and change the oil pan, naturally. But the headers look fucking sick. I had to bolt these on because they're fucking nasty. So, until again, we'll fuck with it another day. This is how we operate.
Send it?
Send it. Oh, money.
shot.
Money.
Oh, sketchy factors. Blurry videos.
God damn it. Subscribe and comment, motherfuckers.